In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply your refund to next year on TurboTax. Managing your tax refund wisely can be a great way to plan ahead for the upcoming year, and TurboTax makes this process straightforward. Whether you're looking to reduce next year's tax bill or simply want to manage your finances more effectively, this video will help you do just that. First things first, let's navigate to the right section of TurboTax. You'll want to head over to either the Federal or File section in the left-hand menu of your TurboTax interface. This is where you can manage all aspects of your federal tax return, and it's essential to ensure everything is in order before you proceed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available in this area, as it will make the process smoother. Once you're there, you'll need to advance through the screens. This includes going past your final tax review. The final tax review is a crucial step where TurboTax checks for any errors or missing information in your return. Make sure everything looks correct here, because you don't want any surprises down the road. After you've carefully reviewed your tax information and are confident it's accurate, continue advancing through the screens. Eventually, you will reach the screen titled, "How do you want your refund?" or "Choose how to receive your refund." This is where you'll decide what to do with any refund you may be entitled to. Typically, you have several options here, such as receiving the refund via direct deposit or check. But today, we're focusing on applying that refund to next year's taxes. On this screen, look for the option labeled Apply to Next Year's Taxes or Apply to 2027 Estimated Taxes. This option allows you to directly apply your current year's tax refund to the next year's taxes. It's a helpful feature if you're anticipating a tax liability in the future or simply want to get ahead on your tax payments. Selecting this option can assist in reducing what you owe next year and may even help avoid underpayment penalties if you usually find yourself with a sizable tax bill. Once you've selected this option, TurboTax will guide you through any additional steps necessary to finalize your choice. Make sure to follow any prompts carefully and review the information displayed to ensure that it aligns with your intentions. TurboTax is designed to make this process as seamless as possible, but it's always a good idea to double-check your selections. And there you have it. You've successfully applied your refund to next year's taxes using TurboTax. By taking this step, you're not only making a smart financial decision, but also setting yourself up for a smoother tax season next year. Remember, managing your tax refund wisely is a key component of effective financial planning. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any part of the process, TurboTax's help section and support community are great resources. They can provide additional insights and assistance tailored to your specific situation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process of applying your tax refund to next year on TurboTax. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your tax return. Until next time, happy filing.